What options weekly paycheck system can I use to trade for a living? Well, I hate to tell you that all of our options weekly paychecks systems were designed for the sake of being able to trade methodically and systematically, as the instructions say, and produce a net profit over time. Now, that's going to require you learning the system actually and, getting the trading of that system to a point where you can trade it accurately in real time and pay attention and all that. But that's all basic common sense stuff. Yet I reiterate the basic common sense stuff these days, because a lot of people they just rush ahead, and actually over time people have talked about how people bought various products in various niches and just left it in the box or left it on their computer and didn't do anything with it. They kind of wanted the product to hop out of the box, or they may have wanted the product they gained access to or downloaded to open itself and do everything for them. On the other hand, we have students who just like to learn because maybe they're looking to develop their own systems, which is cool. Some seem like they're art collectors, so they just like to keep collecting each system because it's a creative work of art. It's kind of a genius type of insight into the marketplace that people just want to make sure they capture, that they gain knowledge and understanding from that insight into how things work in the marketplace. And that's cool too. But if you really want to use a system to make money, then just like anything else, you're going to have to and want to crack it open and learn. You want to practice it and so on and so forth to be able to recognize different price action scenarios, because sometimes stock prices can do some weird things, and you want to know what to do. And really, you practice a trading system and trade it as well, small at first, in order to become good at acting and reacting in real time correctly, but also to turn the trading system or the trading of the system correctly into a habit. So when you turn a good trading system into a habit, it's like a mini superpower you add it to yourself, and it becomes very easy to trade that system correctly. Now, for those of you who want something a bit more powerful and profit prolific, I would suggest you take a look at System T and System X and System W. If you want something more laid back, you should take a look at System 7, which I should have mentioned in the prior video that talked about systems that require the least amount of work and time, which would be System 7, System A, and System B. If you want a precision style system, then I would go for Striker. Okay, that's an S for Striker. Now, it's not that these don't all have good precision, some more than others, but you have different styles of trading out there, and a precision-based system goes for certain types of entries and exits. Other systems are more concerned with net profit, which may not have the most precision, but can put out the most profit. Now, what about the ability of these systems to work out into the future? Now, we have to say the disclaimers that we can't provide future, we can't give future promises, okay? That's just a standard trading disclaimer, right? But when we're trading, we're basing our entries and exits based off of probability factors. And where do we get these probability factors? That's right, from the price charts. So you have now over 35 years of price chart analysis and systems development and so on and so forth. And so we can develop these ways of entering and exiting trades in different styles with different feels. Yes, there are different feels to a way a system trades. For example, a system that tends to trade with the trend, to flow with the trend, usually has a nice feeling to it, and it's emotionally comforting to trade. Now, if you have some sort of anti-trend entering at support and resistance points or channels and so on and so forth, the feeling with that is a little less comforting. So, I'm just comparing the two, for example. So, I don't know if you've experienced this. You probably will in the future. Anyways, I don't want to ramble on here, but you can come to Options Weekly Paychecks and look at the various systems here. And then what you do from there is just contact us, and we can help guide you based on what each system does and help you find an ideal choice. So, can you use these systems to trade for a living, to start a new home-based business? That's what these systems were designed to help do. You can see the word paycheck used in the domain name. That's associated with a job or even a business. And what you have here are essentially business operations manuals or business operations systems where you just learn the system and you execute the system. Each system will put you in a very high probability place to succeed over time as you go through the deals, deal after deal, and you can see more about this on each system's presentation page, and you can look at the track record to see how the system progresses through series of trades. Other than that, don't hesitate to contact us because that may help you speed things along. Some of our students have done extraordinarily well, and maybe you can be one of them as well. I can't emphasize enough how powerful these systems are on this page, okay? Check them out. You'll have an exact plan for entry and exit and what options to trade over and over. Come check out the system performance results, and you can see how especially the micro swing systems have been able to achieve superior performance. Utterly, ridiculously powerful performance, as I mentioned, with especially a few systems here like T, X, and W that can allow you to potentially make a lot of money relatively quickly. So come on and check out more information. You should be able to see a link below if you're not already on the site. Thank you.